Hey, Ron Brignac on the farm, Hickory Hill Pastures. Kind of giving you a heads up of a reminder of what's coming up. We have a farm tour where you see our chicken, turkeys, and pigs all raised on pasture. You'll see Sam, our rescue donkey. See Piggles, our rescue pig. So how can a pig farm have a rescue pig, right? But we'll tell you how. We got Orlando. He likes to headbutt the fist. Here you go, buddy. Look here. Look at me. What are you doing? He likes to do that. We got Abby. We got Keto. And we got Oliver. And then we got the ornery Annie. She's up there. All right. Then we got the one that we just bred. Piggles. No, that was Piggles back there. We got Sherry's pig. Who, let's see if you can see her real quick. She's there getting some water there out of her wallow. A lot of things happening. October 17th, we have our farm tour. We're going to have music. We're going to have Faded Youth. Let me show you a picture of Faded Youth. Then we'll have some food. So we'll probably, it's going to be chicken. So we'll have some shredded chicken, maybe like barbecue chicken. We're asking for $5 to help just for the commitment. So we'll know how many people to schedule, have all the food. Love to have y'all. A lot of y'all have been eating our food already. You'll see our chickens, turkeys, and pigs. And we'd love to have y'all. We're an open book. You can see the good and let's call it, you could say ugly. Because a farm is not always pristine, but it is what it is. You get to see us in action. Love to have y'all. Ron Brignac and Sherry, come out to the farm tour October 17th, 2 to 5.